Hello! With this technical video today, I want to better explain the entire off-road range of Risemousse and provide you with some tips and tricks that will help you enjoy the performance of all the mousses in every discipline, while also improving their durability. This video is to better illustrate every detail and make you always come home with a big smile, whether you come from an adventure with friends or from an important race you have been preparing for a long time. Risemousse mousses are different from the usual ones on the market. They seem harder than the classic, ready-to-use ones. This is due to their particular compound. In fact, Risemousse mousses do not cut, do not crumble, and do not get smaller over time if not used. Once run for a few times in, they soften and simulate the ideal pressure. The use of the rim lock and the lubrication with the whole tube of gel supplied in the package is essential to prevent overheating of the mousse and prolong its life. Moreover, lubrication is recommended at each tire change. Assembly can be harder because they are slightly larger than the classic on the market. This is because being larger they feel the tire shaping better. We recommend twisting the new mousses by hand for 2 minutes to soften and warm it, and to facilitate assembly. Inside the box there is a paper with assembly instructions. It's important to choose the correct mousse according to your use and to the tire. The lifetime of the mousses depends on various factors. Outdoor temperature, hotter means shorter duration. Speed, the higher the speed, the sooner it's consumed. Transfers on the road must be done at low speed, following the highway code. So, also in the World Championship races, in the asphalt section, the speed are calculated according to the highway code. Overheating due to high speed on asphalt causes the rapid degradation of the mousses. Here, there is the minutes that you can find your selected mousses: Cross, Mini Cross, Enduro, Maxi, X Edition, Climber and Arizona. Cross mousses are available in different sizes, for front and for rear. They are made from a harder compound to reach a pressure of around 1.0–1.2 bar. For young talents, we also have mini cross mousses available for 65 and 85 cc's in different sizes. Here, the special compound guarantees a slightly lower pressure of 0.9 to 1.1 bar. In the Enduro versions, we have different types of mousses: Enduro Standard, Maxi, Climber, X Edition and Arizona. The standard Risemousse Enduro simulates a pressure of 0.6 to 0.7 bar and can be found in different sizes. The Maxi version is slightly thicker, to be mounted on oversized receivers or to reach higher pressure. Important, before buying the mousse, check the size of the tire. This mousse ensures a slightly higher pressure of 0.8 to 0.9 bar. Also, Risemousse offers other 2 different mousses with a particular shape and performance: X Edition and Climber. The X Edition is the mousse with balls. It's a mousse for extreme enduro. Its shape allows you to have more grip in the most difficult condition. The final pressure is lower, between 0.4 to 0.5 bar. Moreover, the particular ball shape allows the tire to deform and adhere better to the ground, allowing the rider to have a crazy grip, almost like a trial bike. To exploit the maximum potential in hard enduro, it's recommended to use a super soft tire. Attention, some tires with reduced section could show the ball shape. It's not a problem of the mousse, but of measures that are not congruent with the writing shown. Factory riders in extreme enduro also use more than one rim lock in the rear wheel. Climber is the unique product. More performing is the only mousse that can be customized to your liking and based on the condition of the terrain. You can adjust the final pressure from 0.4 to 1 bar by removing some plugs, but remember, the plugs must be removed symmetrically. This mousse is recommended for competition because it allows you to decide a pressure suitable for a type of terrain and temperature. Once removed, the plugs can be reassembled only after a very few hours of use. Once the mousse starts working, it will no longer be possible to insert them. Climber is more performing than other mousses, but remember, better performance does not mean longer lifetime. Arizona is suitable for Motorelli. It has a smoother surface paint, which prevents overheating, In road transfers, it should be used at maximum speed of 50 to 60 km per hour, in order to not speed up the degradation and increase its duration. Being a mousse for motorelli, and therefore for heavy motorcycles, it's increased and has a special compound that provides an increased pressure of 1.4 to 1.5 bar. For other questions, contact your trusted dealer. Thanks for your attention, gas, and see you soon!